In their telling, constitutional monarchy comes about because of conflict. The point of our paper is not to cast doubt on the importance of credible commitment. We also don't disagree that constitutions are an important mechanism for that to happen. Our conjecture then is that not that these events were unimportant, because they clearly, in fact, we're going to have a slightly different interpretation of them. Our interpretation is that you have to look beyond economic interests and beyond resources. We built a framework for thinking about how legitimacy is created, what that means, and then what are its consequences. We're trying to build a framework for thinking about how it changes over time. I think one thing our framework does suggest is that sometimes these individual things end up being really important. We like to think of broader institutional features as being the drivers of history. In many cases they are, but in this case, there were historical instances that really interacted with those institutions that changed them dramatically.